So, Xiaomi 14 Pro titanium version. Seems pretty durable, huh? Alright, so this is the Xiaomi 14 Pro titanium special edition. Alright, and this is the 14 Pro standard version, and this is Pro Max, iPhone 15 Pro Max and 15 Pro. So in this video, let's compare them with the iPhones to see if there is anything special. So first unboxing. So I already took the phone out, as you can see here. This is the titanium version, and on that you get 120 watts charger and the Type-C cable, which is exactly the same as the 14 Pro standard version. But let me check if the phone case if the same. Oh, the phone case is a little bit different. So this is from the titanium version. So they have this kind of, oh wow. Of course you have to get this transparent one, right? Because otherwise, how would anyone know that you are using this titanium special version, right? And for the 14 Pro standard version, it comes with that black case, So holy cow, this phone case is like really tight. I cannot even take it off. All right. If I break it, I cannot return it. Okay, I finally take it out. That's so tight. As for iPhone unboxing, yeah, everybody knows it's eco-friendly, right? A cable, a phone, and some stickers, and that's it, all right? And I really hate that. I pay so much and I cannot even get a proper charger. Not cool. But what's cool? It's Gigabyte's Double 11 shopping spree. They only have 24-hour flash sale left, but there's still lots of cool products, cool coupons, cool deals. So definitely don't miss out. Only 24 hours. Moving on to the design. So compared to the normal 14 Pro edition, the titanium one has been upgraded with a mix of aerospace grade 99% pure titanium and high strength aluminum alloy, surpassing aluminum alloy frames in both strength and hardness. So technically you could crack a nut with it, but better not. If you scratch it, no returns. It's worth mentioning that the front screen of the Xiaomi 14 Pro Titanium Special Edition is covered with their self-developed Dragon Crystal glass. And the back glass panel is also replaced with the Dragon Crystal glass, further enhancing reliability and durability of the entire device. I also noticed one thing. As you can see, for the camera module, the titanium version features a coil of decorative orange metal accents, which makes this phone really stand out from the crowd and makes it unique. Special as the name suggests. They also dotted the power key with orange accents as well. As for the other, they are pretty much the same as the regular Pro version. The same chipset, the same camera specs, even the same watermark. Heck, at least they got a titanium here, alright? But yeah, one thing I have to point out when I had these two phones, you can feel the titanium version is slightly heavier compared to the standard version. And here's my foldable phone, Oppo Find N2, but I can feel actually the 14 Pro titanium feels comfortable when you're holding it. But if you compare it to the iPhone, then the weight would be a different story. Just check out the iPhone 15 Pro, Pro Max. And because of the titanium, the iPhone 15 series has the lowest weight. Xiaomi should really introspect itself. Yeah, but you gotta know, iPhones use much less pure form of titanium, which explains. I also noticed one thing, the middle frame on the Xiaomi is fingerprint repellent, not like the iPhone. As you can see, it's riddled with the fingerprints and smudges. Both phones offer this kind of brushed texture. To be honest, not a big fan because it looks like a cheap water-made bottle. Regarding the system, I found that both phones are pretty smooth, like really smooth. I've been an Android user for a long time, so honestly, this is my first time using iPhones. I need some time to get used to the system before I can do a proper review or something. But you gotta know one thing I really hate about Xiaomi is that about its HyperOS. About 2 weeks ago, I did a video about the system and found some changes already confusing and ugly. To be honest, like the charging interface. Why they switched from that cool tech vibe charging to something like this? It was when I charged my iPhone I found why. Xiaomi really copies a lot of things and discards what's cool about them, which is bad. Nevertheless, Xiaomi 14 Pro is amazing. I've done a lot of videos about it. The camera is amazing, not losing compared to those 1-inch sensor phones. This titanium is even crazy good because of the titanium material. But yes, they only have this one color. I will put this color in different chic. But currently, it's very difficult to buy. I borrowed this from my friend Eva, otherwise there's no way I could have made this video. Well, for iPhone, it has more colors to choose from. But anyway, that's the video. I'm also preparing the camera comparison between the Xiaomi 14 Pro Titanium and iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. So, stay tuned for that. And please subscribe if you haven't. And you know what? I'm planning to return this to iPhones, but I accidentally just scratch the screen a little bit. Can you see it? So here, right? So probably I cannot return it. So, and you know what? I bought these two phones, these two phones, original price from Apple website. So I lost a lot of money. So you guys have to support me, okay? Have to subscribe to my channel and then watch this video so I can earn a little bit more. Otherwise I lose shit, man. Okay, thanks for watching. I'm Sami. See you in the next one. Bye bye.